Welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 3. Again, thank you guys so much for participating in this year's COOKMAS events with me. I do definitely appreciate all the love and support. For today's recipe, we'll be making a delicious chicken wild rice soup. So of course, with this soup, we're gonna make it from chicken broth, some cream of mushroom soup, some thyme, the chicken, some long grain and wild rice, mushrooms, and in this case, we're gonna add a twist by adding some butternut squash. So it's gonna be a delicious, hearty soup that's full of the flavors that a wonderful chicken and wild rice soup gives. And it's gonna be an easy and simple recipe. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's COOKMAS recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this COOKMAS season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here's a closer look at this delicious, wonderful chicken and wild rice soup with the butternut squash. I went ahead and paired it with a loaf of crusty bread so I could soak up all that goodness. It was full of chicken, full of rice and veggies. The flavor is definitely hitting, guys. You don't want to miss out on this recipe. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe and you'll give it a try. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.